Let's talk about fitness. You have these
Yes.
amazing videos on Instagram, like
Yeah.
you said, and it's like again, like it's just very fun. Okay.
Yeah.
And like whether you're on a yoga ball or
Yeah.
I don't know the kind of workouts you're doing.
Even I don't know what I'm doing
It
at
just
this point.
seems fun.
Yeah.
And that's so interesting because most people kind of resent that,
Yeah.
right? Like it's like, "Ah, I have to work out. Like
Correct.
it's a chore. And like you're like, I have a 9 to 5 and I have to work out or whatever. Like I have
Correct.
10,000 different things, but you make it fun. So how have you reached, and for people watching, if
Yeah.
they can be inspired to reach a feel good place with fitness, what would you kind of tell them?
So to the people that find exercise and all of that really boring, so did I.
Yeah.
Which is why you'll always see me changing what I'm doing.
Yeah.
You'll never see me like do anything for longer than a couple of months, and then I'll move on to something else and I might come back to the same thing again, but I keep switching it up. I think that's the most important thing. There are so many ways, especially in today's time, to stay fit. There are so many different things you can do. Whether it's you like to dance, go for a Zumba class. You
Yeah.
like to cycle, but you don't want to be on the roads, go to one of those, what
Yeah.
are those classes where you go to the music? Spinning classes. You like going to the gym, go to the gym. But you like doing yoga, there are so many different types of yoga you can do. There's just so much. Forget that. You don't want to even commit to a class, go onto YouTube.
Yeah. There's 1,000,000,000 videos.
Exactly.
Yeah,
Try
that you
out a
can-
little bit of everything. See
Yeah.
what you like.
Yeah.
There's so much access to so many ways that you can exercise, and it's also convenient now. You can work out from your home with ease
100%.
and get a proper solid workout in, no matter what equipment you have or don't have. So it's all about honestly figuring out what you enjoy. And I used to really not like going to the gym. It was something I just didn't like.
Even I
There
don't
was
like
something about it. I just don't like it. And so I found yoga.
Yeah.
I really enjoyed yoga. Why? Because I was naturally good at it.
Yeah.
Okay, and sometimes when you're naturally good at certain things, you're
You
like, oh
just
my
like
god,
it,
I love
enjoy it.
this.
Yeah.
Yeah. Then I did yoga for a bit, then I got bored of yoga. So I stopped doing yoga for a while. Then I moved on to Pilates. Then I really enjoyed Pilates, then I got really bored of that. Then I moved back to yoga for a bit. Then I
Yeah.
tried a different form of yoga. Then I started doing that one Atrangi class where I do ball balancing and on my upside down. I don't even know what to call that
Yeah.
class
That's
because
what I'm saying. I have no idea what that workout is, but it
Neither
looks
do I.
fun and it looks
Neither
like
do I.
yeah.
So went back to that. Then in the middle I went back to the gym also. Recently I tried doing gym workouts again, but I was just not feeling it. So I said,
Yeah.
why do I need to do it?
Yeah.
And so it's just about that. It's about find what you enjoy and
then
milk
do
it.
Yeah.
And then when you're bored of it, that's okay. You don't have to keep
Move
at
on to
it.
the next one.
Try something else.
Yeah.
Make it fun. Grab a friend. Do it with a friend.
Yeah.
There's so many ways to keep it fun and exciting. It doesn't have to be boring. And if it's boring, you're not doing the one that's meant for you.
Yeah.
It's as simple as that. And I'm saying this honestly as someone that used to hate working out. Now, the only reason I'm able to commit to doing something so regularly is because I love it.
So what's regularly? How many times do you work out?
Okay, so here's the thing. In a month, if we take a month as a whole, about 3 weeks, I'm really good. And 1 week, I'm an absolute disaster.
That's fine. It's like it's a cheat week.
Yeah, but that 1 week is spread out in between. Sometimes it's at one go, sometimes it's spread out. But on an average, 3 weeks, I'm so good with my food and fitness and everything. And 1 week, I just come and I destroy it all like a tornado.
Yeah.
But I guess that's my balance. I need to have a little bit of extremes in my life to feel excited, I guess.
Yeah.
But recently, I've just restarted this thing called the Hard 75.
Okay.
Which
yeah, somebody did it. One of my friends did it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sorry, it's called 75 Hard. I started calling it Hard 75 and now it's stuck in my
Because
head.
it's
that
hard.
way.
It's hard to do.
Yeah.
It's like crazy, right? Like you have to do like 2 workouts. I don't remember.
So
what is
it's
it?
2 workouts
Yeah.
a day, 1 indoor, 1 outdoor, 45 minutes each minimum. So 1 indoor, 1 outdoor. Has to be 1 outdoor. 4 liters of water. 3.8 actually. Reading 10 pages of a non-fiction book. Minimum 10 pages. No cheat meals, no alcohol. And I also throw in 10 minutes of meditation. I add that into my...
To make it harder.
to make it even harder,
Yeah.
as though it wasn't hard enough already.
You're competing with yourself. Being like, yeah, let's
Be
let's
like,
increase
अच्छा तुमने 75 hard किया है, मैंने भी किया है meditation के
Yeah,
साथ.
exactly.
But so, and the thing with this is, even if you miss one thing on one day, you reset to day one. So if I read 9 pages instead of 10 pages, and I fall asleep while I'm on the 9th page, when I wake up in the morning, I've reset back to day one.
The whole thing.
The whole thing.
Oh my God.
My mother did this 75 hard. I was trying to do it at the start of the year also. So my mother was doing it with me at that time. She reached day 67, and on day 67, 1 week from the finish line, she just forgot to read before she went to sleep.
Oh my God.
And she woke up in the morning and she was sobbing. She called us. She was like, "Kiddos, I failed." And we were like, "What happened?" She was like, "I forgot to read last night." And we were like, it's fine. Just don't tell anyone. Don't tell us. Just finish your reading, read double today and just carry on. It's like, "No, it's a matter of principle. I can't. I failed." And I get it, because even if I had missed something, I would not be able to just be like,
Yeah. So which day are you on?
right now,
Yeah.
day 4.
Day 4. How fun. It's still early days.
Still early days. But
Yeah.
I've started mid-December.
Oh yeah.
So that's like, it
And
will
that's
carry
tough,
through
yeah.
Christmas, New Year's. and all.
That's
Yeah.
tough.
So I'm getting the hard bit out of the way first.
Yeah. And what's your outdoor sport?
Depends. I keep changing it up. So some days, if I've had a hectic first workout, then I end up just going for a walk.
Oh, okay, that counts. Okay.
Sometimes I'll go play tennis. Sometimes I'll go play paddle. Sometimes I'll go swim. Sometimes I'll honestly, depends on what's available to me. Sometimes if I'm, say, not in Bombay, say I was like in Goa right now, I do my yoga outdoors, which I really love doing. I love doing yoga outdoors, but you just don't have the
Have
space
space
to do
in
that in
Bombay,
Bombay.
yeah.
So it depends. Also, my goal with this 75 hard is not to really get extra ripped or anything. My thing is just to get that discipline back into my system. So
it's so much about a routine.
it's
a lot of
exactly
times.
about
Yeah.
that. So I'm not even so pressed on having like 2 grueling workouts in. Because me just getting 2 workouts and keeping my diet clean for 75 days is going to make me
Yeah.
as lean as I
Automatically,
need
yeah.
to be. Because I'm already like, I'm
Yeah,
not...
you're petite.
Yeah.
Yeah.